Hello, my name is Sven Ennast. As the board member for research and development at Daimler Truck AG, I'm happy to present you today our concept of a heavy-duty fuel cell truck for long-haul transport, our Mercedes-Benz GenH2 truck. As you can already see by the design of this truck, it stands for the future of transport. A future in which heavy-duty trucks are increasingly becoming CO2-free vehicles. Therefore, we are focusing on two CO2-neutral technologies, battery-driven and fuel cell-driven vehicles. Only by using both types of propulsion, we are able to cover the entire range of our customers' use cases. The GenH2 concept truck is a major milestone along this road. Because it is the base for the series production vehicle, we will bring into large-scale production in the second half of the decade. And customer tests will already start in 2023. Our goal, a hydrogen-powered fuel cell truck, which is in no way inferior to today's heavy-duty diesel trucks in terms of performance, range, and reliability. Just like a diesel truck, the GenH2 is designed for a gross weight of 40 tons and a payload of 25 tons. The energy source is hydrogen, either in liquid or gas state. Technically, we can perform both. Our clear preference is liquid hydrogen, because only with liquid hydrogen, our customers are able to cover a range of around 1,000 kilometers with no tank filling needed, locally CO2-free. And if you have to refuel, it can be done about as quickly as customers are used to with diesel today. In addition, liquid hydrogen enables significantly smaller and lighter tanks and thus more cargo space and payload. Let's get more into detail and take a closer look at the example of our concept truck. There are two stainless steel liquid hydrogen tanks on board, each with a 40 kilogram capacity. The tanks are a real high-tech component. They are vacuum insulated and maintain the hydrogen at minus 253 degrees Celsius, only 20 degrees above absolute zero. In order to generate energy from liquid hydrogen, it is first heated and then flows in gaseous form into the fuel cell system. Let's check it out. The fuel cell system is the heart of the GenH2 truck and, in terms of size and placement in the truck, comparable to a modern diesel engine. Here, an electrochemical reaction generates electricity to power the vehicle. In this process, the hydrogen splits into protons and electrons, and when combined with oxygen, electrical energy is generated, while the only emission from the truck is water steam. Our GenH2 truck has a particularly powerful and efficient fuel cell system with 300 kilowatt output, with which we want to set the benchmark in our industry. The modular system consists of two 150 kilowatt units, each containing two fuel cell stacks with over 200 cells respectively. It is our latest development based on our more than 20 years of experience in fuel cell technology. Just like in today's heavy-duty transport, efficiency and durability are of key importance. We meet these requirements by the perfect symbiosis with the second crucial component for the GenH2's operating strategy, the high-voltage battery. The battery is located between the two stainless steel liquid hydrogen tanks. The battery is also particularly powerful with a capacity of around 70 kilowatt hours and an average output of 400 kilowatt. It supports the dynamic drive operation of the truck, which requires a lot of power, such as driving fully loaded uphill. This enables the fuel cell to operate constantly without major fluctuations in output. Depending on the performance requirements, the vehicle is powered by both the fuel cell and the battery. If more power is required than the fuel cell can currently provide, the battery supplies power. And if the fuel cell generates more energy than the vehicle currently needs, it is stored in the battery. In addition, the battery is charged through recuperation, meaning the recovery of braking energy. This intelligent operating strategy enables a perfect match of fuel cell and battery to power the e-axle with high efficiency. It consists of two high-performance electric motors, each with 230 kilowatt continuous power and 330 kilowatt peak power. The e-axle is part of our global electric drivetrain family, and therefore we can make it quickly available to many customers across the world. So, we have followed the energy flow from the tank to the electric drive axle. In order for all of this to work efficiently, we need an intelligent control of the energy streams. The control center for this is located behind the driver's cab, just as part of our high-performance cooling system. This is a very important system because a fuel cell truck requires significantly more cooling capacity than a diesel truck. The cooling system always keeps all components, the fuel cell in particular, at the ideal operating temperature. To make all of this possible, we combine our extensive know-how in fuel cell technology with our decades of experience in the development of heavy-duty long-haul trucks. We at Daimler Trucks founded the modern transport industry with our vehicles more than 120 years ago. With the GenH2 series vehicle, we are developing a hydrogen-based fuel cell truck for our customers. And this is nothing less than the start of a new era, a completely new generation of trucks. For CO2-free transport that meets the high demands of our customers in terms of performance, durability, reliability, safety, and efficiency.